Sichuan fine arts, where the colors sing. Every building's gotta sing, murals high and murals low. It's an art show on the go. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. Walk down the lane, see art at play. Brushes in hand, they paint all day. From the walls to the doors, even the floors, creativity here soars. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. Walk down the lane, see art at play. Brushes in hand, they paint all day. From the walls to the doors, even the floors, creativity here soars. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. There's this and there's that, and there's that one there too. Every step you take, there's something new. A rainbow of this and that in every hue. At Sichuan Fine Arts, they got talent. Ain't the whole place gallant? Their wall shout out, take a photo of me. Oh yeah, I think I will. Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other. So come on down, take a stroll. Let the colors capture your soul. In Sichuan Fine Arts, where the walls sing, you'll find coolness in everything.
We're in Chongqing, near the Sichuan University. Well, here we are, right here. This is the name of it right here. But we're near the Sichuan University of Fine Arts, and we're on this famous street right here, Huangjueping Art Street, with all kinds of really cool graffiti and artwork and all kinds of cool stuff. Really looking forward to showing you this street. Probably need an umbrella before I get started. It's raining a little bit, but I like that too because it really brings out the colors, brings out a little bit of the side. And you can see some of these buildings too, and they also have designs on them, including those over there too, right? So we're gonna just start with this street right here, Huangjueping Art Street. I love Chongqing, one of my favorite cities, maybe in the world, definitely in China for sure. And this is no exception. There's just so many cool things like this street right here, this whole area. Because I have other videos coming up in this area as well, because there's a lot to this neighborhood. This is just the first one of these. So there's maybe about 4 or 5 around the university, and I have 39 total around Chongqing. So this is number 12 out of 39. So that means I still have another 27 I'm gonna upload. So I want you to subscribe to the channel so you can catch some of the other Chongqing. And I'm gonna go back again, so let me know if you live there or if you wanna meet up, because it's one of my favorite cities in China, for sure. And let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where the Sichuan Fine Arts University is at. And with that, and I'm also gonna put up the lyrics. So I got some music here, so I wanna share that with you as well, so you can see that in the background. And that being said, let's get into the walk and talk, where I actually walk around with the camera and you can hear me kind of comment on everything around me on this beautiful, cool, amazing street in Chongqing. Okay, so I don't know why that says 1940. I'm kind of curious myself. But this is Huangjueping Arts University, and we're going to see the years will change a little bit as we walk down the street. It's funny they even paint his butt. They must spank him on the butt or something, I don't know. And then I just saw somebody with a spray can just walking by a minute ago, but we're going to just keep on walking down our target street here. And that one in the street says 1952, but we're just going to capture whatever we can capture in here. Some more artwork up there. Oh, okay, looks like there's people with cameras in here. We got all these art supply stores as well. Artists, but it's raining a little bit. Even the Even the gates are painted. TF Boys. I wonder what that reference is. TF Boys. Yeah, check out all that. Huangjueping, which I'm mispronouncing. F Boys. Seems to be a theme. Okay. Lottery. Kind of got artwork pretty much everywhere, and graffiti. And you got spray cans as well. So I think you can actually spray like this. So I don't know, I think maybe they can rent them and they can spray can. And you can actually see like just layers and layers of paint. And that's so cool. So I guess she's looking for, but I've seen some other people with spray paint cans too, so I think it's a theme. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And you definitely got sculptures everywhere. Okay, so basically kind of have paint throughout. Like all of these just have paint, so it's funny how everybody paints the same low spot. Oh, it's a little bit wet. Everything's kind of painted a little bit. Yeah, don't touch the paint because you might get it on your finger. But that's kind of cool. So I don't know, I think this might lead up into the art university, and I don't know exactly the references to the years. There's 1966 is this next one. 1956, 1954, 1952. Lots of cool artwork everywhere. And lots of places to get some artwork to work with. Yeah, actually, I don't know. I don't fully understand it, but it's super cool. Like super cool. I mean, what I don't understand is like, do they just see? Do they just buy? Do they get spray cans and just anybody can spray it at any time and just kind of spray anything they want? It looks like it. But it's funny, like, why wouldn't people get way up there? Because that way nobody's gonna paint over it, right? Even the trees are painted. Pretty cool though. And this is just one street here. We're gonna see a lot more of this, of the artwork streets as well. It's funny. I wonder what's F Boys. I don't know what the F Boys reference is either. But they seem to do a lot of work on this street. Yeah, I really like this city a lot, Chongqing. This got so much cool stuff. And I think we're going to be walking into the university. Yeah, I like how it's like also kind of a tourist thing too. You know, like people come and take pictures, right? So we also get, you know, spray cans and paint. I'm gonna do a series of videos of this while I'm in Chongqing, and I think maybe later I'll be able to maybe more fully understand it. So if you just keep watching the channel. Wow. Wow. That looks pretty cool. Even the steps. This looks so clean inside. This is so fun. You got a sculpture right there. I'm going to go to that sculpture, but I want to look at this art piece right here. I like how this one was kind of like, you can see somebody painted over whatever else is here, but then they basically painted this really cool one. This is a Sichuan art of Sichuan Institute of Fine Arts, so there probably is some pretty amazing artists as well. And you got a sculpture. It also has paint everywhere as well. That's crazy. Crazy cool and fun. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down our street. There's some park benches over there for sitting. And I think that this road kind of leads through some more art studios with some music. That sounds pretty cool as well. You can tell if that's a recording or live. Okay. So I think this is going to lead up into the institution, the university itself, I think. We will find out shortly. That's funny. That one's illegally parked, and they put a clamp on it. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Double-oo. Oh, must be the same artist here as the other one with the black. So they kind of have a nice theme. Also got some good music in here too. No shortage of cool stuff in Chongqing. It's funny, I didn't even notice that there's a big apartment right above us. So some of them are painted. Some of the apartments. Really cool. So actually, we're going to keep on going. I wonder why certain things are painted and some things are not. Like that whole side is not painted over there. Will it be soon? And then I guess you can get some paintbrushes and go to work.
破初恋，欣赏赛神仙。
And I believe this is the Sichuan Institute of Arts up here. And I guess we should probably call it an end of the video because I think this street leads into the university and it just keeps going. But if we keep on going, I think the artwork might end. Maybe I'm wrong. It's like there's more artwork right up here, so let's see if that sign. So we got more artwork here too. I think that's part of the university. Oh yeah. Just kind of walk in here a little bit. Oh. It's pretty cool. So even the trees. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is my video is a little bit too long than I want it to be. So we're gonna come up to some kind of conclusion here. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep filming some other streets of Chongqing near the Sichuan University of Arts as well. But I saw a lot of artwork down on the main street, but this one was labeled a certain way. So I'm just gonna end this video here. And I hope it was interesting. So stay tuned to have a lot more of Chongqing.
Oh, the streets are alive with paint, and with this I ain't got no complaint. Loving every corner with color, this place is like no other.